So I will explain to you one by one. This is the adapter, right? This adapter. And then if you see the end of the adapter, and you will see this kind of a shape outside. And then usually if you see the description of the adapter, you can see which part is the positive and which part is negative. In case of this, it shows inside is positive and outside is negative. So that's why I put here. This is ground, negative. Inside I hook this with a multimeter. You know, multimeter has this kind of thing. So you can put inside hole, which will be positive, right? So if you see here, this is the power input, right? Power input and fuse and power switch and with LED. And of course, this positive suppose go to this portion. And this is negative. You have to connect with the negative like this, right? And another thing, this is the speaker. I mean the cell phone. You can connect it with the cell phone, like speaker jack. And if you see here, right next to volume control, this is we call RCA cable, and this is the RCA cable input. Yeah, it's a little different with this banana jack. This is banana jack, and you have to use this one of them. And the outside here, this is the outside speaker, right? Outside signal, input signal, output signal. You connect with this speaker, right? This is so simple. The most hardest part is first of all, this input signal. The center also is positive, outside is negative, and as you can see, in power input, this positive thing suppose connected with one of these fuse, and output of the fuse suppose connected with this power switch, which has two red line and then one black line. One black line is supposed to be ground because it is black, and then two red line is one for the PCB board and one for the fuse. This is one part, and another one suppose goes into the PCB board plus, yeah, positive part. Okay, so that's how you connect these three of them. 1, 2, 3. The serial one, it plus coming out to go here, and this thing goes again to power switch, a red line. Okay, the red line again, another red line goes to the PCB board. This is the most important thing, right? This power switch is a little tricky. There's two red line, also again two red line, one for the fuse, one for the PCB board, and the ground is just simply ground. The black part here you can connect with this is black. You can connect here or your bottom part here. Anywhere you can connect with this black part. Okay, it's up to you. So this is the simple description. I hope you can make it. Okay, I gave you all the things you need.